HabitSmasher, a VueJs Vuetify progressive web app. This was a 24-hour build. It's a progressive web app, meaning it installs to your device, works offline, has an icon on your home screen, etc. The service worker implements a static update model, meaning that it isn't constantly fetching resources from the web server, but stores them all until an update is invoked. It implements motion and voice controls, text-to-speech and vibration notifications. Local storage is implemented via IndexedDB. It's open source and also hosted. So what is this app all about? I enjoy playing Smash Ultimate from time to time, and I'm not very good. Upon reflection and watching a few replays of myself, it's not hard to tell why. I am predictable and have a favorite set of moves. Knowing this doesn't help me, because it's a matter of execution, and in the heat of the moment, in the middle of the match, I can't seem to remember what I'm supposed to be doing. So, when I have a problem, I write an app, and here's the app. Here's what it does. It lets you create and select a set of moves. You can create moves for any character or for a specific character if you want. In this demo, we'll just use a random character. The app works by prompting you every few seconds to try a new move, and then waiting for you to indicate that you've succeeded, or timing out. It keeps track of how many times you succeed or fail. You can control how you're notified about your next task in several different ways. For example, you can change the color of the screen, change a buzz pattern, or the app will read you the name and maybe a description. You can control if the names are being read to you here. For this demo, we'll turn that off. Next, we enter practice. And that's about it. It'll prompt us to try things that we might otherwise forget to do. I think this is a pretty good example of the power of the modern web platform. In the matter of a few hours, we can write an app that can be deployed to any device, and it is fully and richly featured.